Hello, today I'm going to be talking about a new palette that I got. Why I love it, how I found out about it, and tell you guys more about it so if you are wanting it, where you can get it. I'm going to have all the links and everything down below, so when you're done you can check to see how you can get your hands on this beautiful palette and makeup. So I was watching another makeup influencer, Chelsea Smith Cosmetics. You may have heard of her. She sells beautiful wigs. She's a great makeup artist. She sells her own eyelashes. She has all kinds of good stuff. So she was one day talking about how she went to a drag queen show and she met this drag queen right here, this beauty, Kimchi, and she talks about how they fell in love. Well, she got a palette made by Kimchi and she showed it to everybody, and she had purchased their PR package, and it just had so many good products in there. So I went and I'm like, I gotta get me one of those palettes because one, it's gorgeous, and two, it will last forever because it's huge and it's just really cool, and I love all the stuff about it. So let's get right into it. I am talking a palette made by Kimchi, a beautiful drag queen, and here it is. It's called the first of all, I just want to go and talk about the packaging. When I got this palette, I got it a couple days ago, it was packaged with such care. Like, I was like, wow, they really care about their customers, their clients. It was wrapped up really good, and it had a lot of cute little stickers on it. I even got one I kind of hid because my kids will take it. But, so I got this little sticker I could put on my phone or wherever I want to put it. So I kind of have it in my makeup drawer for now. But it had all these stickers closed with wrap. It was just really wrapped really beautifully. I really loved it. I thought that was really a very good finishing touch. So when you're opening it, it's like a gift. It's all wrapped up really good, and it's not going to get hurt in transit. So that was really good. Also, it comes in a really like nice case. You have the cartoon character of Kimchi, and it says Kimchi_chick times catnips, and it's presenting rainbow shards. So that's funny. And then on the back you have Bean and Doggo welcome you to the Rainbow Sharts world. And it's a limited edition featuring Kepnits. These are eyeshadows and pressed pigments. It talks about using an eye primer before using, so your makeup look stays on all day long. Now, this thing is huge, like I said, and it has kind of like a little cartoon on the front that's really, really cute. But what I love most about it is the palette itself. Look how huge it is. I can't even probably fit it into this frame. It's so huge. But everything is gorgeous. We have a black onyx, browns, natural colors, and then you get like these ones, watermelon, blueberry, and like a lot of glitters, grape, ocean blue, 24K, like all these beautiful, I think one's called Champs, and it's just gorgeous. And it's a big palette, and it has a nice full-size mirror. So I really love this palette. I believe it was only like $28 for this palette. I will go down below afterwards and I'll put down the prices if you would like. But here's like more showing Kimchi on the couch, hanging out. And it's just kind of like a little cartoony. Also, the makeup is cruelty-free, talc-free, synthetic fragrance-free, sulfate-free, paraben-free, phthalates-free, PEGs-free, synthetic fragrance-free, all that free. I I believe it's also vegan friendly formula. And so this one is just called Can't. I can't believe how beautiful this is. Can't. Like, come on. And it has like a little doe like thing right there. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Love it. I haven't used these yet. I will though. These are liquid eyeshadows. There's lots to choose from. I choose a brownie, coppery one for you know, fall looks. And then I always love silver. I always love sparkles. I had to get this one. Also, I saw Chelsea was using it for like the inner corner to put her other shadow on top of it, and it really did well. So I'm like, I gotta get me some. This one is called World Dominance. It's beautiful, beautiful silver sparkles. There we go. Gorge. Love it. So I haven't used those yet. I just got this a couple days ago, but I really wanted to come on here and show you guys all about it. Also, when you open these up, they say, "Hi, darling." Oh, and here's one of the stickers that came with the wrap. I just stuck it on this, but it like held the wrap on there together. And here's a beautiful picture of Kimchi, and it says, "Kimchi says, hey, darling, you're going to destroy everyone with your killer makeup looks," with a at the end. So there's that. So yeah, I love this. I love these shadows. As you can see, I used it on my eyes today. I used the colors burgundy on the outside, some chocolate on the outside, organza on the top, and some natural all over the lid. And I also use silk in the inner corner area, like right in here. I use silk, but I was looking kind of more natural look today, but I can't wait to try all these cool colors over here. But I love this palette. They were very easy to blend out. They just feel like really good. Like, I can't give you guys a good swatch because, one, I don't have any primer on or anything like that, but I can tell you that they're very pigmented, and they glide on very well, and they blend out so nice, and you're gonna love it. And you get like this really beautiful full-size mirror as well. You're gonna love this. I just wanted to do a quick review and tell you that it's worth it. And the packaging, everything about the company, amazing. She's awesome. She does well with her packaging. She does well with her service. So if you want a great palette that you can do naturals, but also really cool, colorful looks, this is the one for you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.